Design Lab, and today I will be teaching you how to apply a vinyl decal, or vinyl sticker, to a smooth surface, such as this plexiglass next to me. I'm choosing not to apply it to this textured surface of my wall because it just doesn't work as well. It peels off easily. It's a good temporary, very temporary solution if you, I don't know, if you just need temporary decorations, I suppose. But little kids will peel at it and pick at it, and I just do not advise textured surfaces. It just won't last as long. So I have my nice smooth plexiglass here. It could be a wall, this could be a locker, this could be your car, your computer, any smooth surface. So first things first, you want to gather some materials. So you want your smooth surface, you want your vinyl decal, you want something to clean your smooth surface with. Like this. You'd like to clean your smooth surface. Okay, so now that your smooth surface is clean of any grime or grease or anything like that, you also want to gather a squeegee tool, some sort of squeegee tool. This is a Zoo Pass. It's made of a credit card-like plastic material, or you could use a professional squeegee if you have one lying around, but if not, a credit card or something will work just fine. And I will use this today because most people have these at home. So what else? You could do this a couple of ways. Since this is a pretty small decal, I could probably apply it without using tape, but I'll show you the tape method and you decide. So there's three parts of a decal. There's a paper backing here, there's the vinyl sticker, and then there's a clear application tape on the front. Okay? So basically the vinyl is going to come off on the application tape. So can you see that? So that's going to be what happens. So first things first, you want to take your squeegee and just smooth out any air pockets or anything. You want to make sure that your vinyl is going to adhere fully to your application tape. Alright, so I'm going to use just some masking tape, and this is a good method if you're dealing with larger decals as well, but you can also get out, if you are doing larger decals, and you want to be really accurate, get a piece of pencil, a level, and really map it out. But you then, once you get your decal where you want, pretend I used a level or whatnot to make sure it's straight. Just take a piece of masking tape and tape your decal to your smooth surface. Alright, so then I'm going to lift up the corner. Also, gather scissors. Fetch some scissors. Okay, so I'm going to lift up the corner, making sure that the vinyl is adhering to the clear application tape, and I'm just going to cut that piece of backing paper away, and then slowly smooth my decal onto my smooth surface and squeegee it a little bit. Make sure you squeegee that down. And then, since this is already stuck on to the surface, oops, you can take off your masking tape. And then slowly, again, peel your backing paper off. And you can use a squeegee while you do this to, I said I would use this one, to just smooth your decal onto your surface as you're removing your backing paper. So then once it's on there, use your squeegee to squeegee your sticker onto your smooth surface. Okay, so we did that. So actually, you might want to keep your squeegee close by because sometimes things get stuck and you have to re-squeegee them. So then I'm going to start and pretty much fold the application tape right back on top of itself, so you're almost rolling it off. This prevents the vinyl from sticking to the application tape. And so roll that application tape away. And voila. You have a rad sticker stuck to your smooth surface now. And it was very quick and very easy. And they look really cool, so you should buy more from Antidote Design Lab at, well, it's not at Etsy, it's in that shop on Etsy. I'll probably put the URL somewhere on the screen, I suppose, after, when I'm editing this. So, yeah, so that is how you apply a vinyl decal. I'm trying to do this video so I don't have to print out all these instructions with every order I have, trying to be a little greener. So I'm sacrificing a couple of decals for the sake of all that paper that I'll be saving by not sending everyone instructions. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy your decal, and if you have any questions, you can email me at antidotedesignlab@gmail.com. Great, thanks a lot, and have a great day.